Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I hope you're having a great day.
And I'm Paul. Charlie, you look so energetic today. Did you start your morning with something special?
Yes, a good cup of tea. What about you?
I tried to wake up early, but my alarm betrayed me again.
Oh no, that happens to everyone. But you still look awake and ready.
Thanks. I'm trying to build better daily habits. Routines make life easier.
That's so true. And today's topic is perfect. Daily routine. English conversation.
Yes, many learners want to speak English naturally, and daily routines are the best way to practice.
Because we use these sentences every day.
Exactly, and simple is powerful.
So, Paul, let's share some easy daily routine sentences.
Sure, I'll start. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good one. Another example is I brush my teeth.
Or I take a shower.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I go to work. Or I go to school.
See, these sentences are very simple, but they help you speak clearly and naturally.
Yes, and practicing them every day builds confidence.
I agree. When we repeat small sentences, our brain learns faster.
That's true. And when we speak about our daily life, English feels more natural.
Also, routines help us stay calm. When life gets busy, small habits give us balance.
I feel the same. Even drinking water after waking up makes my day better.
Same here. It's like a small promise we keep to ourselves.
So friends, remember, small routines can make a big change.
And simple English sentences can help you speak confidently.
Practice a little every day.
And believe in yourself. You're doing great. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also, like my video and leave a comment.